Hey everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be figuring out new slimes and putties. So if you want me to make another video about me and my mom pranking my dad in the shower, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And let's see if we can get 2 likes. Is that okay? That's probably good enough for today. So the first one we're going to be testing is this one. You can get this package from LOL doll if you want to. A big surprise one. It's really hard to open. So, yeah. So this one's like a blue slime, kind of ish putty. The scent is okay. You can poke it, but there's these little chunks that are really dry. So if you go ahead and you can throw that out to the side. So I'm so happy to be with you guys and welcome back. So please subscribe to my channel and make it a thumbs up. Okay, so first of all, we have this little sea star that goes in with the bees. This is like an ocean one with a sea star. And then you can poke it in. But it's not really useful. You can put it in kind of a bag so it can come with the other slimes. And guys, if you want me to do a future video with when I get my package of slime from Amazon, you can click down right below the comments. So it might be a little bit too dry, but I still like it. Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to the next slime after I open this and put it back onto the jar. Here we go. Okay, so now we get to do lots and lots of related parties. So you can get this from Mastermind and also this one. So this is triple layer putty. So this one's a putty, but it might be like a slime kind of ish if you put some really cool stuff in it. So this one is a light-ish green slime, if you can see there. It's really soft and there's no, and you can poke it. That's good. Okay, so that's great. I really like it. So let's put it onto next one. This one is a light blue putty slime. So I actually really like this one because it's like a darkish blue, but it's not that dark. So it's pretty cool, right? It might be pretty cool, but yeah. I let it sit for a few days and it's gone like this, but when you just get it, it's like a really clear one, but it's not really soft and stretchy. You can break it in a moment if you don't be careful. So yeah. The next one is really cool see-through slime that you move up and do everything. Now, this one's probably the best of all of them because this one's going to be a really short video. So, I don't know. If you want me to do another future video where I actually prank my dad when he's in the shower. So I'll put shampoo. So get the shampoo empty, and then I'll put some, okay, let's just stop talking about it right now because I want it to be a surprise, so it might be more better. And guys, comment down below if you really want an iPhone because I'm giving it away. And if you want to And if you want to get a free iPhone, comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel. Yep. So, I hope you had a great day. And so, yeah. Addie is out.